Hi everyone, welcome to Turkish Lessons. My name is Yasin. Like today, guys, I will help you learn what phrases or words are used in celebrating religious things or other, activities, or you can say events. I will help you learn these phrases. In Turkish, for this title, we say dini kelimeler ve ifadeler. Dini kelimeler ve ifadeler. All right, now let's see some questions here. On the left, you see English questions. On the right, you see the translations of these questions in Turkish. Now, what's your religion? Guys, if you think I have a mistake here, please just let me know in English when I write down these questions. So, what's your religion? In Turkish, we say dininiz nedir? Dininiz nedir? These questions, guys, are formal style of asking questions. Okay, dininiz nedir? What religion do you believe in? What religion do you believe in? Hangi dine inanıyorsunuz? Hangi dine inanıyorsunuz? Okay, so this is a question. Are you Christian? Hristiyan mısınız? Hristiyan mısınız? Hristiyan mısınız? Müslüman mısınız? Müslüman mısınız? Budist misiniz? Budist misiniz? Okay, guys, now as you see here, to make this normal style of asking questions rather than kind of formal, then you should remove this is. Okay, at the end of these words, nouns, parts, is, us, is. When you remove these two letters here at the end of the words, then it becomes a normal style of asking questions, which is kind of I can say informal. All right, so let's continue. Do you celebrate religious events or parties? Okay, there are two ways of asking this style. Dinsel, that means religious. The same way actually here. Dinsel, or you can say dini. Dinsel, or you can say dini. Dinsel etkinlikleri kutlar mısınız? Dinsel etkinlikleri kutlar mısınız? As you see here, is, which is formal style. Or you can say dini etkinlikleri kutlar mısınız? Okay. All right. Now let's hear these questions. Do you fast during Ramadan? Ramazan'da oruç tutuyor musunuz? Ramazan'da oruç tutuyor musunuz? Okay, guys. The literal translation, if you want to see here, you can say, do you hold fast, or you can say, do you hold fasting during Ramadan? All right, are you fasting today? That means bugün oruçlu musunuz? Bugün oruçlu musunuz? Or you can say, bugün oruç tutuyor musunuz? Same way actually. Bugün oruç here tutuyor musunuz? Or you can say, bugün oruçlu musunuz? Okay. As you see here, us, which is formal style. When is iftar? Iftar means it's kind of, guys, in Turkish you can see many words that come from Arabic language or Persian language, which we use, a lot. I can say that. This is what I think. And what is sahur? Sorry, actually, this should be as when, not what. When is sahur? Sahur means, guys, is the time you wake up in the middle of the night just before the morning prayer time sets in. So we ask sahur. Sahur time, you can eat or drink or you can do other things, whatever you want. And then until the pray time of morning, morning pray time sets in. So this is how we ask sahur ne zaman. guys, this question here, what should be when, not what. Okay, let's repeat this questions again. Dinsel etkinlikleri kutlar mısınız? Or dini etkinlikleri kutlar mısınız? Ramazanda oruç tutuyor musunuz? Bugün oruçlu musunuz? İftar ne zaman? Sahur ne zaman? So when it comes to the end of the Ramadan time, that's the party day. So you can say this is Arabic, guys. Okay, you see Eid Mubarak, which also you can use this in English as well. Eid Mubarak, that means we use this in three different ways. Bayramınız kutlu olsun. Bayramınız kutlu olsun. Or you can say iyi bayramlar. İyi bayramlar. Nice bayramlara. But we usually prefer, which is the shortest and easy, practical way, iyi bayramlar, which is in the middle here, as you see. İyi bayramlar. So, which is fine and which is good, to use this very practically. İyi bayramlar. Or you can say bayramınız kutlu olsun. Or you can say nice bayramlara. Alright, now let's see here some dialogues I prepared for you to practice. Bugün oruçlu musun? Bugün oruçlu musun? Which means, are you fasting today? Yes, I am. Evet, oruçluyum. Or you can say orucum, which is fine. We use this also. Orucum, guys. Okay, orucum. So this letter is pronounced ju, orucum. So when is iftar, or what time is iftar? You can say this. Ne zaman iftar? Or you can say what time is iftar? Saat kaçta iftar? Okay. Answer is like 7:30, as you see here. Akşam 7:30'da. Akşam 7:30'da. Or you can say directly 7:30'da. Okay, guys. So I have these dialogues also helpful for you to learn this, these phrases and expressions. Now let's see here two more examples. Sahura kalkıyor musun? This is informal style of asking this question. Sahura kalkıyor musun? Sahura kalkıyor musun? This means, do you wake up in the middle of the night to eat before morning prayer sets in? So, okay, for fasting, because you need energy to get to do fasting. So, answer is, I'm trying to. That means I try to wake up. Kalkmaya çalışıyorum. Kalkmaya çalışıyorum. Kalkmaya çalışıyorum. Or you can say, yes, I do wake up. Evet, kalkarım. Or you can say, I get up. Evet, kalkarım. Evet, kalkarım. So this is to celebrate, this is the phrase or expression you can say to celebrate bayrams, or Eids in Arabic, which they say. İyi bayramlar. İyi bayramlar. For example, you say it to your Muslim friends. İyi bayramlar. İyi bayramlar. And the answer is same. İyi bayramlar. Or he or she can say sana da, or directly sana da iyi bayramlar, which is fine. Okay, either of them is fine. So I think this is the end of our lesson today about using words or expressions of religious things. So I hope this guy's lesson is suitable. Helpful for you to improve your vocabulary in Turkish. Thank you for your time and see you next time. Bye.